Hey everyone, welcome to the Tech Insider's Guide to finding the hottest trends right now. This video has English subtitles with explodingtopics.com. In today's fast-paced world, staying ahead of the trends is essential for success. Explodingtopics.com is your crystal ball to discover the trends that are taking off. Our cutting-edge artificial intelligence analyzes millions of pieces of data to identify the topics that will be the next big thing. We don't just show what's hot right now, we predict what will be a hit tomorrow, next month and beyond. On our super intuitive dashboard, you'll discover trends that are growing fast, market opportunities that no one has seen yet, promising niches in your field. If you work with technology, fashion, finance, or any other market, explodingtopics.com puts you in the game. Be the first to profit from the trends that are taking off. Leave the competition in the dust. Visit explodingtopics.com right now and start your free trial. And for the best, like the most epic experience, try Exploding Topics Pro for just $1. Click the link in the description below, https://explodingtopics.com/? Stanislas.